Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio in the All-Star Edition. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.